My name's Alex Waller. I'm a student at Whitmer High School.
Hi, I'm Brandon Stallkamp, and I attend the University of Toledo.
I'm Fidel Robinson. I'm a student at Toledo Rogers.
My name is Yusuf El-Husami. I go to Sylvania Southview High School.
American Commodore Tuxedo is one of the world premier provider of men's tuxedos, men's suits, and men's formal wear accessories.
The best thing about this place is just the pricing. They match the pricing really well in other places.
The reason why I came to American Commodore Tuxedo is because of the wide variety of tuxes.
My favorite thing about American Commando Tuxedo is that they have great service.
The best thing I liked about American Commodore is the customer service.